we'll be looking at how to monitor charts, like how to track the charts and see what it looks like, what people are buying and selling. So this is actually the chart here, you see. So there was this one I made a video on, this same Elon Vine that just rocked, the dev sold. But here now you're looking at the charts here, you're seeing the charts on the time frame. You're looking at it and seeing like what people are buying and what people are selling. So you can easily take it back. It's on 5 minutes time frame. We'll take it back to 1 minute. Can take it back to 5 minutes and see what it's all about. But it's usually better to look at it on a closer range. Pumfun doesn't really offer the charts in the way it's supposed to be. So you might actually want to copy this. Contract, since Destiny already offers this particular charts and can offer tokens that are migrating on Pumfun. I'm sure this one will be the king of the hill very soon. It's actually the trend. So looking at this, you're going to see comments and see Elon Vine just got my tokens. Penguin is like, so see, you're tracking the chart and seeing what is actually going down on the charts. You're seeing the chart, you're seeing how the candle is moving, whether it's red or it's green.